Hey friends, I hope everybody's having a great day today. We're going to review a little bit. So last week, the genre of all the books we were reading were dramas. And remember, a drama is like a play. So you have a cast of characters, and it shows you what person's supposed to read which lines. So we're just going to review this real quick. Elements of a drama. A drama is a story that is written so it can be performed by actors for an audience. What are the parts of a drama? The dialogue are the words the characters speak. The setting is when and where the drama takes place. The cast is the list of characters. The characters are the people, animals, or things in the drama, and the scenes are the parts of a drama. A new scene usually starts when the setting changes. So remember, we read the dramas, and there's always a cast of characters. There's the setting, which we all know is where the drama takes place. And then the scenes, there's different scenes. So let's say at first they're in the park, and then they move to their house, and that's when a new scene starts. So we're going to read a little drama today. But as we're reading this drama, we're going to be focusing on what we call plot elements. So these are parts of the plot that help it all come together. So story structure is another way to say it too. Story structure or plot elements. Stories often have a similar structure. Authors organize the plot in a way that will entertain the readers. So there's always a beginning. Every story has a beginning. In the beginning, the events in the beginning include the conflict or the problem the characters face. So the beginning of the story kind of tells us what's going on, what conflict the characters are having. The middle, it's like we're going on a roller coaster. See right here? Ooh, 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 we're up to the middle. The middle, or the events in the middle, show the characters trying to solve a conflict. So when we get to the top of the roller coaster right here, we see the characters, they're trying to solve the conflict. And now, whoosh, we're coming down the backside to the end. The end, or the events at the end, include the resolution or how the characters solve the conflict. So the beginning, you get the conflict, and then we go up, up, up the roller coaster to the middle. That's when the characters are trying to figure out what to do, solve the conflict. And the end, we come right down that roller coaster to the resolution. And the resolution is just how the characters solved the conflict. So you have to look for evidence. We've talked about text evidence many times. Look for evidence or clues in the text to describe a story's plot. So now we're going to take a minute to read a little drama. And while we're reading, we're going to stop and we're going to discuss what's happening at the beginning, middle, and end of this drama. So the drama that we are going to read today, no, not that one, is right here. It is called The Tortoise and the Hare. This might be a story that some of y'all have heard before about a rabbit and a turtle. Hare is just another word for rabbit, and tortoise is another word for turtle. So we're going to read about the tortoise and the hare. And while we're reading, we're going to be thinking about the plot elements. What's happening at the beginning, what's happening at the middle, and what's happening at the end. And we may pause in the video so that we can take notes and write down what's happening in the beginning, the middle, and the end. But I'll let you know when we need to do that. Right now we're going to be reading The Hare and the Tortoise. Right here is our list of characters. So there's the hare, there's the tortoise, there's a fox, there's narrator 1, narrator 2, and narrator 3. So this drama has 3 narrators. That means 3 different people are going to be telling the story and the words that the characters are not saying. So let's start right here. Narrator 1. Hare and Tortoise were talking in the garden. Hare. You are such a slowpoke, Tortoise. Tortoise. I am not. I just like to take my time. Hare. If we raced, I know I would beat you. Tortoise. You would not. Hare. I would so. The hare and the tortoise decide to have a race. We're going to pause right there for just a minute. So, what's happening in the beginning? Have they given us a conflict? because that's usually what happens at the beginning, remember? So right here, let's see. The hare says, if we raced, I know I would beat you. And the tortoise said, you would not. That sounds like they're having a little bit of a conflict. So that's what happened in the beginning of our story. The hare and the tortoise are having a little bit of a conflict. They're arguing about who would win a race. And right here, narrator 2 says, hare and tortoise decide to have a race. So we're going to pause right there. I want you to go to the next slide, and you're going to write the plot elements of what happened in the beginning of the story on that slide. So pause, go to the next slide, and then we'll finish on the following slide.